In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to preview your task across different device types and sizes. Firstly, you can use the built-in device preview panel in Task Builder 2. You can click through the given options to see how your task would look on a large monitor, small monitor, laptop, tablet, or phone. Furthermore, you can toggle between portrait and landscape modes to see how this would look on a phone or tablet. If you wish to do more thorough testing on a specific device type, you can access Browser Device Preview by going to the menu in the top right corner of your browser, going to More Tools, Developer Tools, and then toggling on the device emulation in the top right panel of your Developer Tool window. You will then see a device preview panel for your browser and drop-down menu with many different device types that you can click through and test your layout on. Note that device preview might slightly differ between the browsers, but they all should be fairly similar location, accessed from your developer tools. If you notice that on some device types your task layout doesn't work right, you can readjust it by moving the position of objects or their size on the screen. Additionally, you can use the Task Builder layout customization setting to change the base layout of your task and build an optimized mobile version of the task. Alternatively, you can limit the device types that participants can use for your study. You can see this via our recruitment requirement guide for more information.